चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Back-to-back meetings, Shravan, that are certainly happening, but that does not deter the spirit of these supporters and cadres who are gathering in huge numbers at the BJP office. While we continue to put out those updates of how Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh have met with JP Nadda, let me tell you that the house is only getting more and more full by the minute at the BJP office. Dhols and nagaras, here you see how these supporters, the young population that has come in support of the BJP, where they have Modi posters, Modi paintings, Modi slogans, these Desi Ki laddus that are being distributed among everyone who's standing here. And you know, while the BJP also in a sense is trying to decipher to what really went wrong this time, and why is it that the abysmally low numbers that were reported from UP and also in Maharashtra. But let me tell you that the supporters here, hailing from all walks of life, hailing from different stratas, are all in support of the BJP. Confident है, नतीजों से खुश है अभी तक?
देखिए, सबसे पहले मैं 140 करोड़ देशवासियों को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ और नरेंद्र मोदी जी को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। ये बहुत अच्छी जीत है हमारी, क्योंकि नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जमीन स्तर पर काम किया है, गरीब मजदूर के लिए काम किया है, गांव तक लाइट पहुंचाने का काम किया है। ये जनता जनार्दन है जो दोबारा चुनकर और संसद के अंदर भेजने का काम नरेंद्र मोदी जी को किया है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी।
So these are the slogans that continue to come in. आप कॉन्फिडेंट है कि बीजेपी ही सरकार बनाएगी? कहा जा रहा है कि इस बार उस तरह से नतीजे नहीं आए हैं, कोalition करनी पड़ेगी, पर आपको लगता है बीजेपी ही सरकार बनाएगी?
सरकार बीजेपी बनाएगी, इसमें दो मत की बात नहीं है। जहां तक की बात रही गठबंधन की है, अगर वो इधर उधर करेंगे तो हम लोग भी सबक सिखाने वाले हैं।
All right. So the spirit certainly is very strong, and I also want to walk around to just show you to what is happening. Yes, like Rakshita was also telling us, the weather is friendlier now because you know, the sweltering heat that really gripped us and the heat wave that Delhi has been experiencing. But now the weather is softening. It is raining. Meanwhile, these dhols and nagaras that are and the drums that are being beaten right outside the BJP office. Here you see on Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Marg, where the BJP headquarters is, huge crowds that have already gathered here. Obviously, they're not being able to enter the office inside, but you know, reverberating sounds of the dhol, of the nagara at the BJP headquarters right here, Shravan, where there are huge crowds and they've all come in support. BJP is certainly in celebratory mode, and you see saffron flags that are waving all across in this weather that is slightly getting better. But you know, while the top leadership is certainly you know, meeting among themselves to decide what the plan next is, and these back-to-back meetings that have been happening, that does not deter the spirit of these cadres, where they are very confident. You know, in fact, even when the numbers were coming in, and there was talk